Hi, good morning everyone. Today I am doing FRM module series 3 and series F. A common problem of this one, the FRM module, footwell module calling, that's the common problem when you change the battery or battery go drain, or you put the jump start on there and then it goes to the original files go to the corrupt, and then we need to modify the file through software. And the problems come like windows not working up and down, all of them, suddenly wiper not working, and sometimes the headlights is go on or some lights is gonna start flashing. That's the common problem. This is the FRM module. So if you have the problem of like that in your Mini or BMW, so we can help out on this one. If you can bring the unit to me, and then I am gonna ready in 1.5 hours, and your unit will be ready. So you have any problem of this one, you can contact any time, and you can only just take it out the module is very easy to take it out. Only just side of the panel, driver side, where is the gas pedal next to the brake pedal, so you can take it out, and then inside you have to take out the bonnet lever, and then the cover is the box is on the back. So it's like the cover is like that. If you can see, this is the cover is like that, and you can see here is a mention on there FRM 3s, or it means this is a 3 series. So it's like that. So if you have the problem of this, you can bring that unit to us and we can modify your unit and ready unit in 1 hour. You can contact me. My phone number is 0740 2536 382, and we are in Hounslow. My name is Terry, and Tango Whiskey 33 Tango Tango, Hounslow Motors Ltd. My address is 167 Hounslow Motor. So you can contact anytime through WhatsApp, or you can call me anytime. Okay, thanks for watching our video. You can see my other video as well. Thank you. Bye.